In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Gantt chart using Excel. We're going to create a simple Gantt chart from a small set of project data. And the nice thing is that Excel already has most of the tools we need built in. A Gantt chart is useful because it helps you visualize tasks on a timeline, making it easier to see when each task starts and how long it lasts. To begin, open your Excel workbook. You can use a brand new workbook or an existing one, depending on where you want to build your chart. Once you're in Excel, prepare your sample data. In this example, the data is placed in cells A1 through C6. Make sure your information is organized clearly because the chart will use that structure to display the schedule properly. Next, select the data range you want to use for the chart. After selecting it, go to the Insert tab at the top of Excel. In the Charts group, click Insert Column or Bar Chart. From the chart options, look under 2D bar and choose Stacked Bar. This is the key chart type for building a Gantt chart in Excel because it allows one series to act as the starting position and the other to show the duration of each task. Once the chart appears, it won't look like a Gantt chart just yet, but that's completely normal. The next step is to format it so it has the correct appearance. Click one of the bars that represents the start date series, then right-click and choose Format Data Series. In the Formatting panel, go to Fill and Line, expand the Fill section, and choose No Fill. This removes the visible color from the start date portion of the chart. After you do that, only the duration bars remain visible. That's what creates the Gantt chart effect because the visible bars now appear to begin at the appropriate points along the timeline without showing the hidden starting offset. Now let's fix the order of the tasks so the chart reads more naturally. On the left side of the chart, right-click the vertical axis where the task names are listed and select Format Axis. In the axis options, check the box for categories in reverse order. This moves the first task to the top of the chart, which is usually the standard layout people expect when reading a project timeline. And that's it. You've successfully made a Gantt chart in Excel. Once the basic chart is in place, you can continue refining its appearance if needed, but the core setup is now complete and ready to use.